Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Draftbit to create a delivery tracking app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Draftbit website. Log into your Draftbit account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New App button to start a new project. Choose a name for your delivery tracking app and select the appropriate template. Next, you'll be directed to the App Builder interface. Look for the Data tab in the sidebar and click on it to set up data sources. Click on New Data Source and select API to connect to your delivery tracking service. Enter the API details, including the base URL and any required headers for authentication. Test the connection to ensure that the API is correctly set up. Now, head over to the Screens tab in the sidebar. Click on Add Screen and choose the type of screen you want to create, such as list or detail. For a delivery tracking app, drag and drop the required components, such as text and images, onto the screen. Connect the components to your data source by selecting the appropriate fields for each component. Once you've designed your list screen, create a detail screen to show more information about each delivery. Make sure to link the list screen to the detail screen using navigation actions. Customize the detail screen with additional components like maps or status indicators. After designing both screens, go back to the Preview tab to test your app. Ensure that the delivery data is displayed correctly and that navigation works smoothly. If everything looks good, click on the Publish button to make your app live. You can manage app settings, including notifications and user permissions, in the Settings tab. Finally, consider adding features like push notifications for delivery updates or an admin panel for managing deliveries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.